everybody, welcome to a new video by Reviews on Anything. My name is Peter and we're having a look at the GT Twist drying towel today by GT Shine. These are the specs. It's a towel, you know what it does, and this is a towel that claims to do it all when it comes to drying your car. Where traditional towels move the dirt around and don't really absorb anything, this is heavy duty microfiber that they claim can actually dry an entire car just by itself. It's multi-purpose, multi-usable on any surface, and you can just wash it at home in the washing machine. But to see it in action, obviously we got to take it to the car wash and see what's what. So let's do that and see if it works. Alright, so I got three towels here. I got a regular microfiber, regular normal towel, and the GT Shine towel. So we're going to start with the normal towel. You can see that when I try to dry here, I hope you can see it with the light, but this is still wet. You can see the swirls still. So this is certainly not good. Then, second, the microfiber towel. This does a bit better. Obviously it's more towel. That's also right. But as you can see, it gets saturated pretty quick. And here, same thing. This is still wet. So, I'm going to take the GT Shine towel. See what that does. One go and it's dry. See how wet this still is. One towel. And there we go. Now that works pretty good if you ask me. See, my hand is wet, but that is pretty much dry. That's excellent, especially for drying off your lights, door mirrors, that kind of stuff. This works great. And because it's such a heavy, dense towel, you also don't need to swap it out every time. You can actually do most of your car with this. So, job well done. Good towel.